kayo napunta ng DOJ?
Well, nag-file ako ng case against yung mga sinasabing ex-Marines at saka kay Atty. Baligod at kasama si Mike Defensa. If you remember, isinama nila ako dun sa affidavit, sign affidavit, and that is really malicious and fabrication and the lack of truth. So I have to protect my name. I have to defend my honor because I will not sell my name to anyone or to any amount. So that is really a malicious imputation. So nag-file ako ngayon. This is just the first. No? May mga succeeding cases pa ako na ipapile. Ang ipinahal ko ngayon ay Article 154, which is unlawful means of publication or unlawful utterances. Yung tinatawag natin fake news, fake publication. This is in line also with the RA 10175. This is the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. That is, if you are uttering any publication, lithography, or using the means of information and communication technology for any false information, that would actually endanger public order or cause damage, or that will cause or damage the credit or interest of the state. So yun yung pinahal ko na kaso. Ando naman yung mga elements of crime.